good quality fridge that consumes low electricity. Price to high 28K, but it's available other sites 25K to 26K. Product and package is good and delivered on time. Demo has been arranged on same day by Amazon/seller. The look is greater and the technology for the money paid is worth it. However, noticed that bottom row does not have space to keep bottles or even sauce bottle. This is the only drawback. Excellent product from Amazon service, value for money. Good product, a very good price, got everything that was required. Only one suggestion, the shelves could have been adjustable. Whirlpool fridge, same configuration as RS16000/ we paid 10 rupees, 000 more. It is not at all worth. This refrigerator has good build quality. Power consumption is low. Has good space to store vegetables and fruits, and moreover it is a convertible one. Got at good price. Nice product. We purchased through Amazon Pay Amy. Thanks for providing me Amy facility in Amazon. I saw several reviews of the product. In that some of them are positive and some are negative. Anyhow, product side is no issue. Delivery was as per the date chosen by me and it was perfectly delivered by Amazon. Then I received an email and SMS from Amazon saying that installation and demo has been booked with LG and I should receive a call from them. Meanwhile, I called LG customer care to confirm this and they too confirmed the same. Within few hours a person from LG came and installed the refrigerator and showed how to operate. At that time there was no power. Later we checked and there was no issue. Happy with the purchase during the Great Indian Sale. With regard to the features of the fridge and it's working, need to check for few days. Click link in description for more reviews.